Hey traders, in this video I'm going to be covering the stock market and also silver and gold. Stock market may be getting very close to that point where we actually start to see the turning point, and also silver and gold. Let's go straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it right now. I am no way saying that this is the bottom in the markets right now. I'm just using what I'm seeing on the charts. It may or may not be, but hey, here's your educational video only. Right, pumpkins? Let's have a look at this here, right? So the Dow Jones, if I bring up the weekly chart on the Dow Jones, actually let me bring up this screen here because this screen here really does it justice, okay? If I bring up the Dow Jones first, let's bring up this is the long-term weekly chart of the Dow Jones. Look where we're at right now. We're at these major levels of support levels through here. So this is actually really right at those level of support. If I bring up, you can see how the weekly chart's right at this level of support here. But the S&P 500, you can see how it's very close to that level there. If I bring up, let me go back to this level here on the S&P 500. We can see the S&P 500, if I just squeeze this chart a bit more, you can see how we're pretty much almost at that level. So that'd be really good. If we can get a little bit more of a push down here, that'll probably be very close to the final end of this move through here. And then we're probably likely to see a move up from there. So it'll be really, if I go back to the daily chart now, we can see how we're almost there, right? We're almost at this sort of level through here where we are right now. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see this actually get a bit more of a flush down, just a little bit more, really get a lot of people short, and then we're probably going to see that slingshot up. And for you guys that are saying, don't get it through your thick head, this is just going to keep going down and down and down and down, and it's just going to keep going down, John, and there is not going to be any pullback. Are you serious now? Really? Are you serious? Go look what happened in 1929, right? Disaster! What happened after 1929? A 50 to 60% pullback. What happened in 1987? That was the start of a big bull move, right? We always pull back at some point. Now, when that point has happened, we don't know, right? But go back, tell me in history, whenever we actually get turns, whenever we just get a continued vertical move down like this here. It happens, right? But then at the point we overstretch too much and then bam, whack, it comes back. So we're getting very close to that point right now. Again, guys, I'm not calling bottom here. I'm just calling it what it is right now. The Dow Jones at support level. It'd be good to see this thing. It'd be good to see the S&P just flush down a little bit more to get down to this support level. And then I think the buyers are going to come out of the woodworks strong like bull. And also, so that's what I'm seeing through there on the S&P 500, the Dow Jones. If we look at, say, the hourly chart through here, you can see how we continue to step down through here. We haven't really broken up, but once we really start to break above here, there could be some sort of trend change. So the market will give us that when we actually are going to start to see this move up. But the probability is we're probably likely to continue down more, guys, from here until we get this support level, and then we're probably likely to start to see some trend changing. Moving on to gold. Gold had a very nice move up, right? We've actually broken below this level through here. You can see we're actually below this level through here. So gold is getting to the point now where it might be getting to where it's confirming some form of a false breakout. We can see this channel how it broke down below this support level. Now we're running back up again. See how we're pretty much done nothing, but we're getting a very solid up bar. If we can get back in above this level through here, then we're probably likely to see a very nice move up. So definitely keep an eye on gold there. Once again, if we do start to see a break above it, back up to this channel, even if it does have if we do get a nice move up, even if we do get a pullback, we're probably likely to find support and then run. And then that's when I definitely do see gold probably heading back up towards the sort of $1,800 level when it comes to gold. Moving on now through to silver. Silver right now, we're still well below its support level, but we could be still at that point where we're generating that final low. Look at this weekly chart here. We had this major low of support level through here. We had this big flush down through here. So if we can hold here like we are right now, and if we can start to make our way back up to 14, 15, even get back up to the $16 level, then this whole level through here would say this was one last final low. And then the move in silver is going to come, and then that's going to be exciting. All right, that's going to be very exciting if we can get that scenario. If we can start to see this move back up here, Who cares about trying to pick the bottom, right? The probability is that we don't know that there's no probability here. But if the market runs up and we start to do this here and we start to get a breakout, the major probability is this low with that breakout says we're now likely to see a very exciting move catching up to gold. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Very, very, very exciting. A quick little update for you guys. And based on the coronavirus, man, this whole world's gone absolutely nuts. I can't believe we're shutting down the whole system for the coronavirus. Oh my goodness. So anyway, that's enough for me when it comes to that. Millions and millions and millions of people right now. Millions and millions and millions of people right now are probably going to die of heart attacks and all that sort of stuff because of their fear of not being able to pay their bills because of all these businesses going out more than the bloody coronavirus. I just don't get it. Anyway, guys, that's a little quick rant for me from there. Quick little up from you guys, and I'll see you next time. Hey traders, before you go, I want to give you my brand new trading course. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, you can get access to this free trading course. No credit card required. You got to learn things like the #1 chart reading technique that has worked ever since the 1950s, so you can know what's going on right now. You also learn the powerful trading technique that tells you when the market's about to make a massive explosion. You're also going to learn the top deadly mistakes that's killing your chance of being successful and how to change that today. You're also going to learn my #1 trading system for the last 15 years that gets over 90% success rate. We're only trading 1 hour per day. You also going to learn how my mentor made almost $2 million in one trade and plus so much more. This goes for about over 12 hours long, walking you through the foundations, chart reading, trading systems, trading techniques, management, and also a mindset, everything that you need to know. And this is absolutely free. As before, no credit card required. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now because I'm only doing this for a limited time only. Then I'm shutting it down. So go do it right now before it's gone, because when it's gone, it's gone. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now to get access to this free trading course right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com.